Just trust me and believe me that it is a very random session. Did I update you earlier?
No.
No, I did not update, right? Was it just a random plan?
Yes, it is very.
So are you really excited and ready? Do you think that you can do that?
Yes, I'm very excited to.
Battery backup is surely that up to like 18 to 19 hours you can firstly charge. You have to charge the phone video playback. Yeah, for the video if you are using camera whole day then it can be less. But if you are using it for the regular mode then 18 to 19 hours.
Yeah, you can see that the camera quality is very nice, and you can have a full HD display also.
Today I am performing as a seller in Oppo phone. I am standing on the Oppo service center.
Actually, it's a very good activity to be more spontaneous because we don't know what customer can ask from us, and it's more spontaneous, and the presence of mind is also tested in these kinds of activities.
Right, in a good way, and he was just telling the features. Okay, everybody, good morning. First of all, it's a very special time and moment for Happiness Institute because Happiness Institute conducts a special training and unique method of training where Happiness Institute believes in holistic development and personal development of each and every student. As Happiness Institute is known for its personal communication, public speaking, interview skills, English spoken and language courses and classes. So we take our students in different sports and at different sports for conducting different activities. As we conducted hospitality management activity, we conducted some of the selling and purchasing activity, and we also conducted some of more activities which was at India Gate, which was in the restaurant, the 5-star hotels and each and everything, right? So today we have a very unique and special training as our students are standing in the hotspot showroom of Vivo, Oppo, iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and today I think it's gonna be great experience, Kalyani.
Yes, sure, sir.
Yeah, and it's gonna be great experience, Simran.
Yes, sir, for sure.
So today we have our two students, Simran and Kalyani. They both are the partners. Just trust me and believe me that it is a very random session. Did I update you earlier?
No.
No, I did not update, right? Was it just a random plan?
Yes, it is very.
So are you really excited and ready? Do you think that you can do that?
Yes, I'm very excited to do that.
Okay, they are very excited to do this, and first of all, let's try to know from them that how are they gonna do. So kindly introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Simran Mishra and I am the student of Happiness Institute. And right now, all the Happiness Institute students are standing here in the showroom, and we are having an activity that our conversation between a customer and a salesperson, that how can we sell our phone to the customer.
And here I am to become a customer, and I will going to buy a phone, and she is going to show me some features of the phone, and I will buy a phone.
Okay, that's great. So Kalyani and Simran, they are so excited to do this activity and believe that they are going to do it in an amazing way because they think about themselves that they are an effective communicator and speakers, right? So let's know and let's begin the activity. First of all, which phone are you selling today?
Today I am selling Oppo's phone.
We're selling Oppo?
Yeah.
So are you here for Oppo or Vivo? Let's start the conversation. Please go ahead.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
I wanted to buy a phone.
Okay.
So,
First of all, let me ask you, how are you, ma'am?
I'm fine.
So you are here to buy a phone, right?
I am here to buy a phone.
So for what, I mean, can I know the suggestion about what, like Oppo, Vivo, Samsung, iPhone?
I want to buy a Oppo phone.
Oppo phone, right?
Can you please show me some features?
Yes, ma'am. We have so many of phones in our show, so you can buy anyone. Can I know any feature of that? For some specific feature, do you want?
Yeah, I want a good storage.
Okay.
With a great camera quality.
Okay.
Also, I want like good lighting.
Okay.
Just for the video shoots or something. So these are my features.
So if I tell that every phone of Oppo giving that features have a feature of good quality, good camera quality, and you said that you want good storage, but you said that you want to record or shoot videos, so I will suggest you that Oppo F27 because it has good camera. You can check it. I will show you. It has AI inbuilt. It has a feature to remove the. Here are some peoples. It has an AI eraser in it. We can remove peoples from that. We just need a Wi-Fi or a data connection to remove that. After that, this will remove every background people who is coming in your photo. This has AI inbuilt eraser. You can
That's
show
a
it.
very nice feature, as I can see this. And for the video shoot, this is very good.
You can compare it just like this was the previous and now. And even for the video shoot, here our camera type dual video,
Okay.
front and back also, both at the time. And it has a good storage also. If you want just like
Actually, I want like 8 GB RAM phone, but this price is like too expensive for me. So I want just this quality with little less price.
ma'am, actually just as you said that you want phone for video shoots, that's why I'm suggesting you that, because it has AI inbuilt features that will it has AI inbuilt feature which helps you to remove the peoples from your background and which enhance your video quality also. That's why I'm telling it has a halo light also for the backside camera. This was the light which all in we can switch it on at the time of shooting when you do shooting. That's why I'm suggesting you that phone.
Okay. Can you show me some different?
You can go with that phone. This is also a good option for you.
Okay.
It has also good camera quality and even it has the same storage
Okay.
from a little price. AI inbuilt also in it, but somehow you can say some differences from there.
So what is the difference between these? This is also AI inbuilt. This is also AI inbuilt. So why this is so expensive as comparison of this?
Just normal display.
Right, there's a difference in display that it is AMOLED display and this is normal display, and this, there's a side
What is the
fingerprint.
difference between those?
Color contrast. Resolution very like this. Camera front 8 megapixel, front 32 megapixel.
32 megapixels.
Back का इसमें जो natural color है वो है. So ये AMOLED display.
And this one is more
This is a
perfect.
premium display.
Yeah, that's why if you want to shoot videos, so for you this phone is more perfect for you. That's why I'm suggesting
Okay, we
that.
can record some like more content of videos, and we can store it.
Yeah, that's also very good storage in it. If you want,
Oh,
you can check it.
If I get some like problems in this phone, so
I just want to ask to you that you were doing this activity. It was random plan. So how were you feeling the time?
I'm feeling good that I get the opportunity to do something productive and to learn something new from
So
that.
which is the best phone in your collection that I should buy actually?
If I suggest you, then you can go with that phone, Oppo F27 or Oppo F. Both are the same. There are some differences, just like for a color and a display.
Okay, great. So which phone have you planned to purchase?
I plan to purchase the Oppo F27 5G instead of this Pro 5G.
Why? Because it is cheaper than that?
No, but it has a unique feature of HoloLight, and it has a great storage as well. And this is good for my photo shoots.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much. Absolutely, Bhaijan also cooperated right in a good way, and he was just telling the features, and he was telling the features and each and every feature of the new phones and newly launched phone. It was great. And a difficult actually activity or difficult task to launch and to describe the Apple phones.
Yeah, it's like what according to me, nothing is like difficult if you know the knowledge, if you know about that particular field. So I have choose this particular company Apple because I know some things about that and I am more confident about it.
Okay.
So that is why I have chosen that.
That's really lovely. So, Sami,
So hello everyone, this side Abdullah Bhatnagar, and today I am playing the role of a seller and I have choose a company that is Apple, and basically I am going to sell the person whatever he needs in iPhone series. So here I will pay my 100% so that I will be able to sell that phone to.
Okay. So my name is Sami Chaudhary and today I'm going to play a role of a buyer. So today I'm going to buy an Apple series.
Yes sir.
Sir, I want to purchase an iPhone. So can you please describe me this series?
Okay, I just want to know from you that you want to buy any one phone out of every iPhone series.
Yes,
right?
sir. I want to know the features of the phone.
May I know your budget? That approximately how is your budget?
My budget is approximately 50 to 60.
50 to 60,000. So I guess the best thing for you, and I'm more confident about it, that will be for iPhone 13.
Okay.
So this will be the best for you.
Okay.
Do you know something about like iPhone series, or do you have some knowledge? Have you used it before, any model of iPhone?
No, I have not used it before, but I wanna
Okay, so why you are only selecting the Apple phone? Like,
because it is the most latest phone in the market, and
Okay.
it has very special features.
okay, that's great. So iPhone 13 will be like it will be more suited in your budget also.
Yeah.
And let me explain you
Okay.
that. And currently, any particular feature you are looking for, like series of features?
So I'm looking for a best camera quality.
Camera quality. Okay. Okay, first I would like to discuss the camera quality of iPhone. This is the camera quality, and if I will tell you about particularly iPhone 13, and you can see that how good the photos are being taken. Now you can see the quality of your photo, and honestly speaking, one good feature it has,
Yeah.
that is good live photo.
Oh, that's cool.
Your photo will be live, and the 2-second live feature will also be there in your photograph. So you can capture and you can for like so it according to your needs, you can just check out the features of the particular phone and you can use it. Right? Any other feature you are looking for?
And I want to know about the battery backup.
Backup is surely that up to like 18 to 19 hours you can firstly charge. You have to charge the phone.
Video playback.
Yeah, for the video, if you are using camera whole day, then it can be less. But if you are using it for the regular mode, then 18 to 19 hours, your phone can just have that battery backup. Okay.
Okay.
So let me tell you some more things about that. Even if you capture the text, like I show you one more feature of the camera.
Okay.
And you have to recognize that which music it is. You can just tap off this button and it will recognize the sound. So this is also the wonderful feature, because as you know that sometimes we don't know the lyrics or the name of the song. So this feature can be beneficial.
So what is
for
the
you.
price of this phone in 128 and
Okay.
256 and the 512 GB?
So you don't have any other doubt. So
Okay.
does that suits you?
Or will I get any gifts with it?
Okay, additional offer you want,
Yeah.
because as there is Diwali coming, so there is a great time to have iPhone 13 with you, and you will get additional discount of 5,000 rupees on this particular phone as it is Diwali. And one iPod also you will get, AirPods Pro, and that you will get additionally from our side as a Diwali gift.
Okay, thank you.
But the condition is that you have to pay right now. That's the offer. Okay.
Everybody, come on. A great activity where they just communicated each other. All right, and they just Atullah tried to sell the phone to Sami Chaudhary, and this was a fantastic conversation, I would like to say. So, have you made a plan to purchase this phone?
Yes, sir. I'm going to purchase this phone.
Okay, how much is this going to cost you?
Around 50,000.
50,000. Do you have the budget of 50,000?
Yeah, I have a budget.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Is this expensive for you, or that's a reasonable price?
It is a reasonable price, not very costly.
Not very costly.
Yeah.
I just
Actually, it's a very good activity to be more spontaneous, because we don't know what customer can ask from us, and it's more spontaneous, and the presence of mind is also tested in these kinds of activities.
were you able to really fascinate and communicate and hypnotize your customers?
Yeah, day by day I am improving that, and today it was a test for me, but I did well according to me. Rest will also tell me that how.
That's absolutely fantastic. As we know, Happiness Institute is known for its spontaneous activities and performance. So our students do it in a remarkable way. And as Atullah tried to sell iPhone 13 Pro, right?
No, iPhone 13.
iPhone 13, right? And
Acting as a seller in the Oppo smartphone, in which I am selling the various Oppo phones and various Galaxy also. That's
My name is Dipansh Sharma. Today we are conducting activity. I am the buyer.
its battery backup is good. Sorry, I am not aware of the same. It has a good storage quality. No, it's not available right now, but we are trying our best that the company will provide more and more, and we will
What's
do.
the cost of this phone?
Yeah, if you paid one time, then it's cost 80,000, and if you are paying as a down payment, so it will cost you around 85 to 90. FE, it's come with 6.4 full HD display and a storage of 128 and 256 gigabyte.
I want to blue color in this phone because I want to purchase for my children.
Okay, sir, we will let you know if we have this product in that. You can see that the camera quality is very nice, and you can have a full HD display also.
there is Aadhaar. So, right, no issue. And first of all, I want both of you to introduce yourself and then you can move ahead for the conversation.
So well, my name is Radha Singh. Today my role is as a customer. So let's see.
Myself Neeraj Kumar. Today I am performing as a seller in Oppo phone. I am standing on the Oppo service center, or now I am trying to sell one phone to Miss Radha.
So hello sir.
Hello ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon ma'am.
Sir, could you please suggest me phone because I want to buy phone.
What budget do you have?
Sir, around 20,000.
Around 20,000.
Yes sir.
Okay ma'am. In 20,000 there are a lot of phone available in the market.
Okay,
So
sir.
I am suggest you can buy one phone. I'm suggesting you to buy a Oppo A74, that is 5G phone model. So you can see this phone. So you can try this phone. This phone is very good.
Okay sir. What is the price?
Price is around 18,000.
Okay sir. So what is the same? What is the network? What is the
Yeah,
network?
this phone has 2G network, 3G network, 4G network, and also 5G network.
Okay sir. And sir, what about display?
Its display is 6.8.
6.8. And what is the sir facility SIM?
This phone use a nano SIM card. This phone use two nano SIM card and one memory card.
Okay sir. What about sir camera, rear camera and front camera?
This
What
phone
is the
has
facility?
48 megapixel back camera and 8 megapixel front camera. This phone has tri camera.
Okay,
Three
sir,
camera.
how-
This phone has 3 camera.
Okay sir. Sir, how many color there is?
This phone has 3 variant. One is ocean blue. This phone has 128 GB ROM and 6 GB RAM.
Okay sir.
RAM can be expand 6 GB more. I show you the price after 20% discount.
Okay sir, I want
But
to
you
sir.
make a full payment current. I
sir.
will make a discount 5 to 10%. I'll make a discount.
Okay sir. Show me sir one click pic sir because I want to.
Yeah, sure,
I want
ma'am.
to
Camera quality of this phone is very fantastic. If you click picture from this phone, it will look like it is a real.
Fees are 15,000. So can you?
All right.
20
That's fantastic. Thank you very much.